Have you ever wondered what really makes a woman feel attracted to a man? We're not just talking about looks, but something deeper and more lasting. There are certain attitudes that, when you adopt them, make any woman see you in a special, different way, awakening in her that desire to be by your side at all costs. Maybe you've already tried everything to stand out, but without knowing exactly what they really hope to find. Today, I'm going to reveal to you the 5 attitudes that every woman wants to see in a man. These are attitudes that go beyond the basics and show irresistible confidence and energy. If you stay with me until the end, you'll discover how each of these attitudes can transform the way women see you. Get ready, because the last tip will surprise you and make you see your own value in a different way. But before we start, I need to tell you something. This video came to you thanks to someone liking it and subscribing to our channel. Now it's your turn to do the same to keep this chain of knowledge alive and moving. And also, comment the word gratitude down here so that YouTube delivers this content to more people who also need to access this knowledge. Now, without further ado, let's go to the first attitude. Protective instinct. Every woman wants to be by the side of someone who makes her feel protected. This doesn't mean being possessive or overprotective, but showing that you are someone she can trust in any situation. The protective instinct conveys security in a subtle but powerful way. It's not just about defending her from external threats, but about making her feel that you are there to support her, listen to her, and take care of her emotionally. When you show a firm and confident attitude, she feels that she has found someone special, someone she can trust. This protective instinct creates a unique connection and makes her feel valued by your side. In the end, every woman wants to be with a man who, through his actions, shows that he is present, that he respects her space, but that he is also ready to offer the security that every relationship needs. No woman is attracted to a man who does not accept himself. Self-love is essential as it reflects your self-esteem and how you see yourself. When you value yourself, it translates into confidence and security, extremely attractive characteristics. A man with self-love transmits a positive energy that makes women feel attracted to him. This does not mean being arrogant or self-centered, but rather recognizing your qualities and accepting your imperfections. By taking care of yourself, respecting your boundaries, and not being a man who is attracted to your woman. By taking care of yourself, respecting your boundaries, and seeking out what makes you happy, you become a more balanced and interesting person. Self-love directly influences how you relate to others, allowing you to establish healthy, reciprocal relationships where respect and consideration are mutual. Women appreciate men who know what they deserve and who are not afraid to go after what they want in life. So, invest in yourself. Spend time getting to know yourself, your interests, and your goals. When you feel good, don't worry about what makes you happy. When you feel good about yourself, that positive energy is reflected in your interactions, making you more attractive and charismatic. Third attitude. Women are attracted to men who demonstrate confidence and initiative, and this is reflected in their ability to make decisions. Having decision-making power means not only knowing where to go or what to do, but being able to take responsibility for your choices and the moments you share together. Being decisive conveys security and leadership. Women like to be with men who know what they want and who have the ability to guide situations, whether it's choosing a restaurant, planning a trip, or deciding activities for the couple. This attitude makes them feel valued and confident that they are with someone who knows how to lead the relationship. However, it is important to balance this attitude with consideration for their preferences. Being decisive does not mean ignoring their opinions or making all the decisions alone. Include what they like and allow them to participate in the choices. This creates a collaborative and respectful environment where both feel part of the relationship. Know how to communicate and avoid saying nonsense. Knowing how to carry on a conversation is an essential skill that attracts women and strengthens the connection between both of you. Good communication goes beyond knowing what to say. It involves listening attentively and getting involved in the exchange of ideas. When you know how to communicate, you demonstrate maturity and emotional intelligence, highly valued qualities. Show genuine interest in their life. Ask about their interests, hobbies, and experiences. This not only shows that you care, but also creates a space where she feels comfortable to open up. Also, avoid controversial topics or those that may cause discomfort at the beginning. Keep the conversation light and positive, sharing funny stories or inspiring experiences. Another important part is to avoid saying silly things, that is, not falling into the temptation of making jokes in bad taste or inappropriate comments. Humor is attractive, but it is essential to know the moment and context to use it. Communication must always be respectful and constructive. Fifth and last, attitude. Have your own style and take care of your appearance. Having your own style and caring about your appearance is essential to stand out and attract the attention of women. When you take care of yourself and express your personality through your appearance, you transmit self-confidence and self-esteem. This does not mean following all the fashion trends, but finding a style that reflects who you are and that makes you feel good. A man who takes care of his appearance shows that he values himself and is willing to make an effort. This can include choosing clothes that fit your body well, maintaining good personal hygiene, and adopting a look that matches your personality. Making your body fit well, maintaining good personal hygiene, and adopting a look that matches your personality. This may include choosing clothes that fit your body well, maintaining good personal hygiene, and adopting a look that matches your personality. This may include choosing clothes that fit your body well, maintaining good personal hygiene, and adopting a look that matches your personality. This may include choosing clothes that fit your body well, maintaining good personal hygiene, and adopting a look that matches your personality. This may include choosing clothes that fit your body well, maintaining good personal hygiene, and adopting a look that matches your personality.